There's been a new software update for the Sony WF-1000XM3 earbuds. It's the update number 2.0.2, and it brings with it several key improvements. Improvement number 1. The earbuds, through the software update, now supports Amazon Alexa. This is great because before this update, you could only use the earbuds right touchpad to activate your phone's default voice assistant, or you could choose to dedicate the left touchpad to activate Google Assistant instead. This update allows you to choose not only Google Assistant but Amazon Alexa as well as your default voice assistant using the left touchpad. The second improvement has been a long time coming, and it solves one of the major sticking points that I have with the Sony XM3 earbuds: volume controls.
What took you so long?
You can go into the app and choose to use the left touchpad for volume controls instead. And to me, this is a big improvement because when I commute, I usually have my phone in my pocket when I'm listening to music, and my jeans, by God, super tight. I wear really tight jeans. They didn't used to be this tight before, but now they are super tight. I need new pants. So instead of having to fish for my phone every time I want to adjust the volume, I can now do it straight from the earbuds, which is a big improvement, and it's something that I wish the AirPods Pro had. And number 3, and I consider this to be a pretty big improvement too, you can now check the charging case's battery level within the Sony Headphones Connect app, when before only the battery level of the earbuds were visible. And this simply eliminates a lot of guesswork, because before, if you wanted to know how much charge is left in your case, you'll always have to guess, right? You always have to, try to remember when was the last time you charged it and how many charges have your earbuds used up already. Now, just go into the Sony Headphones Connect app. Not only can you see the battery level of the earbuds as usual, but now you can also see how much charge is left in your charging case. This makes it all the more convenient for the end user. But will updating your earbuds to this software version 2.0.2 affect noise cancelling performance and voice microphone quality? This is what we're going to find out today. So for the voice microphone test, I'm going to do the usual. I'm going to put on some really loud cafe background noise, and I'm going to record a voice memo on my phone. First, the XM3 earbuds with software version 1.3.7, then 2.0.2. Background noise, Sony's record. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So what do you guys think? Well, to be honest, I couldn't really tell much of a difference between them in terms of voice microphone quality. But if you feel like there's a difference somewhere, tell me in the comments section below. Okay, now let's move on to the noise cancelling test. As usual, noisy cafe background noise, then the test. Alright, now I'm wearing the earbuds. Background noise.
Noise cancelling. Noise cancelling.
So noise cancelling performance seems unaffected by the new software update 2.0.2. So if you currently have the XM3 earbuds but you don't want to update the earbuds to the latest firmware 2.0.2 because you have concerns that it might affect voice microphone quality and noise cancelling performance, update with confidence, and you get all these new improvements as well: Amazon Alexa, volume control, and the ability to see the battery level of the charging case within the Sony Headphones Connect app. Well, I hope this video has been helpful to you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please punch that like button with a vengeance, share this video with your friends, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell, join notification squad, because I upload new videos every single week, and this is the only way YouTube will notify you. And of course, please check in YouTube settings if notifications is enabled, because if it's not enabled, YouTube will not notify you even if you've rang the bell. So be sure to do all that, and I'll see you again, bros, in the next one. If you're a humble person like me, this shirt is a great way to show your friends how humble you really are. And whenever you look in the mirror, to admire yourself of course, it will also help to remind you to always be humble. So guys, this is a pretty fun shirt to wear. You can check it out in the link below. It's available in t-shirt, tank top, and hoodie. Your purchase helps keep this channel going, and I appreciate your support, bros.